if you want to know how to backup and restore your Viber messages or other media, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple, and sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to restore your information. And basically all we need to do, we just simply need to open our Viber, and after that click on more in the right bottom corner on these three dots icon. So we'll come to this page where we need to click on settings, the third line here. So click on settings, and after all click on account, the first line, and as you can see in the top of the screen we can find the first option which says Viber backup, so we need to click on it. And basically if you want to backup your device information, you just simply need to click on backup now, and as you can see everything will be uploaded into Space. Viber provides us the opportunity to interact with it for free. And if you want to restore your media, your messages you backup, you need to click on restore. So what is interesting is that you need to know that if you want to get back some messages, get back some media, images, videos, whenever it could be, you need to know that firstly you need to back up this stuff. So if you want to log out from your phone or do some other stuff, you firstly need to click on the backup now. After that you can join your Viber account from any device, and you'll be able to restore it by simply clicking on restore now, and then just simply click on restore. And basically this is the best way of how to backup and restore Viber messages or other media inside of the Viber. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.